Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech and Sourav. I am Sourav Dutta. Today another video is here. How to fix Windows cannot be installed to disk GTP, MBR or dynamic disk error. When you installing Windows OS, you may receive various kind of errors saying Windows cannot be installed to disk. How to fix this problem? Follow my all steps. Don't skip the video. Here is the problem. So let's start. You fix the problem, follow my all steps. At installation screen, press Shift plus F10 in your keyboard. If function key in your keyboard, press Fn plus Shift plus F10 key at the same time, and it will be open command prompt at the installation screen. Type diskpart and hit enter. Next command is type list disks and hit enter. It will show you all the disks into your computer. Now type select disk number like select disk 0, hit enter. Next command is clean and hit enter. Note, cleaning your hard disk will erase the whole disk, so be careful. If you have any data on the disk, make a backup before cleaning the disk. Next command is convert GPT and hit enter. If GTP does not work for you, type convert MBR or convert basic. Next command is exit the command prompt and proceed with the Windows installation. Now go back and try to install Windows again. Select your Windows and next. Accept the license term and next, and custom and advanced. Create your new partition and apply. And next. Windows has started installing. This can take a long time. If you like the video, and please subscribe my channel.